Harvest is a time tracking app built with freelancers and small businesses in mind, combining time logs with invoicing and expense tracking. But how well does it balance simplicity with business features? So Harvest, like any other tracker, you can start a timer with one click or log hours manually. Entries can be tied to projects, tasks, or clients, giving you a clear breakdown of where your time is going. But what sets Harvest apart is its built-in billing system. You can generate invoices directly from tracked hours and send them to clients without needing another tool. On the expense side, Harvest also lets you record costs alongside time, making it easier to manage project budgets in one place. Paired with reporting tools, you get visibility into project profitability, not just raw hours worked. For teams, Harvest offers shared projects, approval workflows, and integrations with tools like Asana, Trello, Slack, and QuickBooks. Managers can see who's logging time, who's overbooked, and which projects are running close to a budget. In testing, the app felt clean and easy to use, though not quite as lightweight as Toggle. On forums and review sites, freelancers praise the invoicing features as a game changer, while some teams mention the pricing can add up compared to free alternatives like perhaps Clockify. Overall, Harvest is the best for freelancers and small businesses that want time tracking tied directly to invoicing and to budgeting. It may not be the cheapest, however, for those who bill clients regularly, the convenience could easily justify the cost. So, if you're tired of bouncing between a time tracker and an invoicing tool, Harvest might be the all-in-one solution that saves you both time and admin work.